Hi there and welcome. Continuing our series on new housing construction in Santa Clarita, today we're sharing a quick preview of Hillcrest, a new Lennar community located in Stevenson Ranch in the Santa Clarita Valley. This video is presented by your local real estate professionals, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Hillcrest is planned to include approximately 102 spacious two-story homes situated just west of Southern Oaks and south of Pico Canyon Road. Many of these homes are expected to enjoy beautiful mountain views, especially during the cooler months. In our previous video, the project was still in the grading phase. Now, in this updated footage recorded in 2026, you can see paved roads, more defined home sites, and early preparation underway for the first model homes, a strong sign that vertical construction is getting closer. For future updates and to learn more about the homes, local conveniences, nearby parks, and schools, click the link in the description to visit GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. And before you visit or register with the builder, make sure to contact us first. That way, we can represent you from the very beginning and help protect your best interests every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.